Reggae Planet Ambassadors representing for Lively Fridayz. Big up yourself together in the Netherlands. Yeah man, big things are going on Lively Friday. In the Roots Rock Reggae Revelation. Roots Rock Reggae Revolution. Roots Rock Reggae Revelation. Roots Rock Reggae Revolution. Phenomena. Roots Rock Reggae Phenomena. Whoa yo, hoy, phenomena. Roots Rock Reggae Phenomena. Lively Fridayz. We're talking about the Reggae Planet vibrations. Big things going on Lively Fridayz. Every Friday right here on livelyfridayz.com. You can check it out. Together is the man interviewing artists from all around the world, from all around the nations. Reggae gone worldwide. And Lively Fridayz is here to tell you about it. Oh, see that man, behold the Rasta man, Reggae Planet. And he stretched forth his hands now, Reggae Planet. I'm feeling fine now on the Reggae Planet. In this Roots Rock Reggae time now. It's all about the Reggae Planet vibrations. Yes indeed, it's all about Lively Fridayz. And we're sending out big ups to Mr. Twigado in the Netherlands and big ups to all the Lively Fridayz fans and listeners. Oh, see that man, behold the Rasta man, Reggae Planet. And he stretched forth his hands now, Reggae Planet. Calling each and everyone, singing redemption songs, Reggae Planet. Now is the time to come along. You come along now, Reggae Planet. I'm feeling fine now on the Reggae Planet. In this Roots Rock Reggae time now, Reggae Planet. I'm in the mood, I'm in that good mood, Reggae Planet. Come make we dance to the urban music groove. Out in the universe, they're trying to find what life is worth. While in the world of vanity, the girls and boys are playing sports. But in some stages of society, a man can't even buy himself a shirt. And in some places of humanity, a woman can't afford to buy a new skirt. Reggae Planet, we are living on the Roots Rock Reggae Planet.